Welcome everyone. Hey, good to see you guys. Welcome on a beautiful Tuesday, promising Tuesday with 15 minutes to go till we have inflation data. Good morning guys, good evening, good afternoon. Welcome chat, welcome everyone. Hey, how's it going? Make sure to like the video. Are you guys ready for core CPI, CPI month to month, CPI year to year? 8:30 a.m. EST time. This is going to be quite exciting. And we're expecting, as usually, big volatility. Let's just go ahead and share our stream with everyone. Make sure to share it with your community members pretty much everywhere. Guys, let's go. $75,000 in giveaways we've got scheduled for today. It's definitely not bad, right? And this is where we are with the Nasdaq. How are you doing, guys? Welcome. Hey, CPI is right there. Core CPI expected on 0.3% higher than the previous month, so it's expected an increase. I think that's priced in. I don't think the markets will not enjoy that 0.3%. Let's go, guys. Come on, make sure to like the video. So, here we are. Here we are. Gentlemen and ladies. Come on. Good morning, fellas. Good morning, guys. Let me organize myself a little. Was rushing through the presentations. What do I have to do? I think 1,455 drawdown, 1,985. I'm going to focus here on 1,985. Good morning, Badger. Welcome, Jay Smith. Hey, what do you guys expect with the CPI? There's going to be some interesting volatility, to be honest. Right? That daily opening on 23,034 is not a big deal. You see what happened yesterday, guys. It was a continuous pump. Brutally. Good morning. Welcome, everyone. Hey. Morning. Looking forward to collecting some points for my Ticktick Trader accounts. We're trading, by the way, top 1 futures and Ticktick Trader. You got the maximum discount available by utilizing the code SCRAMBO. Pretty much everywhere, including the links. You have them right there. Wouldn't be surprised to see a dump over here. Wouldn't see surprised. Wouldn't be actually disappointed if I see the markets down. I mean, this is hard to be longing in, right? It's hard. It's going to get to 23,500s today if we're bullish. It's hard. This is a price action where it's not easy to be bullish in such circumstances, certainly not. BTC dumped as well, around $7,000, corrected. And it's right now correcting more than the altcoins, so that's interesting. Gold has been dumping non-stop for the past 2 hours. That's an interesting price action. Look at that. Not going to do anything right now, even though look at that. This could nicely break below, which is exactly what it does. Unsurprisingly, the price action has a bunch of liquidity to be grabbed. That's the first level, which isn't something brutal. Then we have the daily volume with the average price VWAP. We have the 200 EMA. We have the daily opening right there. And some other things as well, if we want to include them. Morning, everyone. Thank you guys for joining. 8 minutes to go. And we're going to see a spike in the volatility. Plus, the CPI is heavily going to influence the prediction towards the rate cut decision towards the FOMC. Specifically the one for September, unlikely the one for July. 97% there's going to be a pause in the rate cut, 30th of July. But then of course for 17th of September, that's where the discussion starts, and we're constantly seeing in the past days there is an increase in the pause ratio, 40% right now for the pause. Increasing the probabilities, guys. This is quite interesting. At some point this was under 10% and that was not far away. That was like 2 weeks away, something like that. It was under 10%. We were more than 90%, guys. We also have the earnings season for the companies. We've got BlackRock today and other, as usually we get started with the banks. Good news. Well, depends what does it mean, good news. I mean, for us, anything should be good news in terms of we can long it, we can short it, so we should make money out of any situation, right? We just have to be the masters of volatility and the masters of emotions. Dr. Beluga, there you go. We've got 6 minutes to go, pretty hyped up. Cheers, everyone. Enjoy your day. This is a green tea, right? So do not think about other things right now. We're in the middle of business, which obviously is not an excuse not to, but it's not today. Still have to drive around. There you go. Right, we could see some volatility spike and a liquidity swept into the 100s and then even 35, right? So I would not take that off the table. Forza Matteo, there you go. Come on. Let me see this account. This account, because it's 5. We have 4 points here. 4 points, which is not bad. We still have to make a little more. The other group of accounts, we have 5 points basically. Five points basically, which is still not bad. As you already know, there is no minus points even if you have a loss. So eliminated that. They improved their system, Ticktick Trader. Good morning. Let's go. Good CPI. Five minutes to go. Make sure to like the video. We've got a $75,000 giveaway today. Like the video, stick with us till the end. The giveaway is going to be a little later on the stream, right? So let's go. There is no more minus points, right? So there is no way right now you can lose points on Ticktick Trader. They updated that. No more earning today. I do want to trade. No. Tony, no. Ticktick Trader no longer deducts points for a red day. You can only accumulate. You can no longer lose points. This is the big news, right? Because right now it's very comfortable, guys. And keep in mind, you have no consistency. So if you have a $5,000 day or a $3,000 day, you go wild in a day where you let your winners run. Think about it. And then have some losses too. It's not an issue as long as you have balance to cover your losses. No problem. You can still go for the payout. Because you accumulate points. So that's what you need basically. A good balance to accumulate points, even if you have losses, not an issue. Just limit your losses at 1,500 or even less. And you're just accumulating. And this is a big update for the Ticktick Trader. For those of you that would like to find out more, 65% discount. If you buy 10, which comes in at $245 each. It's a big update indeed. Like the community requested it. I've been part of the community requesting this. I've said they're too aggressive, basically. They're putting a lot of the focus for the live accounts. That's right. And that's absolutely fine. But they also have to, consider that the payout needs to be easier to be achieved under such conditions, right? So they eliminated $162,726, guys, for the Sim Pro accounts on Tap 1 Futures. We've got $12,600, and these are, let me just connect it, because we're speaking about 4 accounts here. Let me just have them ready, guys. You know I'm going to go wild today, right? Don't you? 162,726, there you go, look at that. Let me share with you the stats. This is what we achieved. This is going to be the second payout. I mean, I hope it's going to be the second payout. Look at that. This is our performance. This were our intraday drawdown accounts, and you get paid. So the second cycle, once you restart your trading, your drawdown is end of the day. It's going to remain on the original balance plus 100. So you're not going to be affected by it, which means that the accounts are just intraday for the first cycle, and then it's end of the day. It's just like the end of the day ones. Beautiful, right? 4 accounts in this situation. Let's go. Come on. I don't want to mess it up, guys. It's not going to be an easy day with this volatility. I'm a little excited, right? I've had like 6 green teas today. Too much. I've crossed the line, so now I'm adjusting from the size. 144 on the price section. What do you guys expect? Let's see what's happening here. 1 minute to go. Look at that. 0.3% higher or lower. It's very interesting, right? If we have no inflation, which means to have lower than 0.3, than the 0.3, then there's not going to be rate cuts. Because the economy is doing great. No inflation, you don't need to cut anything. That's how Powell thinks about it. That's what, it's not my perspective, right? That's what Powell considers. I like to trade the news, especially with Ticktick Trader where you don't have micro scalping. Right, so Ticktick Trader is more comfortable with the news. Look at that, guys. Cryptos are pretty interesting. I like to see the gold all the way above 370s. Come on. What's going to be the reaction today? There you go. Oh, look at a pump. That was the initial move. Look at that, guys. Probably as expected. The market is considering the whole thing bullish for the moment. 0.3, exactly as expected for the CPI month-to-month base. And core CPI lower than expected, 0.2%. There is no inflation, right? So the administration, president is going to push another message. We don't have inflation, cut those rates. We're going to see those messages coming out soon. Once again, look at that, 0.2%. They were fearing a bigger than 0.3. And it's not happening, guys. It's not happening. Markets are pumping. Cryptos are going up. Ethereum. Nasdaq to the 200s. Pretty much obvious. So, are we going the all-time high today? I think we are all-time high already. I think we are all-time high. We are all-time high, guys. We just went all-time high with the news. So how do we trade today on all-time high conditions? This is something I don't like. I find it very difficult, basically, longing the price action that just keeps running and running and running. I really find that difficult. It's not the favorable type of price action that we got. Beautiful times. Thank you guys for joining. Appreciate it. Make sure to like the video. In order to participate the giveaway, you gotta do it. You gotta pay the price. And join our Discord. Don't forget about the Discord itself. That's a gold mine. Still haven't traded anything yet. It's not like I'm scared, but I'm a little cautious here. See, I wanted to long that one, and I didn't press. That's beautiful news out there. Lovely. Look at the cryptos. Look at the Ethereum, guys. Boom. Exploding. It is exploding. I think so. Sideways to upside. With great inflation data. Of course, that's what you do. Powell, he was fearing inflation, much bigger inflation than 0.3. So I think there is room for cutting rates in September. Right now there is going to be an increase into that. That's what I think. I'm going to focus by longing today. Let me ask you a question, chat. Let me ask you a question in a pool. Are we going to hit 23 500s today. What do you guys think about 23 500s today? Let me know what do you guys think about in the pool chat. There you go. Come on. 23 500s. Likely, unlikely. What do you guys think about?
Order filled.
I got in a little short here. Was thinking about this, right? Let's see if I'm right. Stop loss right above the current candlestick. That's pretty much enough. 525 on the take profit, 174. I'm out. I don't like that. Accepting 270 loss. The buying pressure is not giving up that easily. 330s, that's what you want to get. So maybe 500s is a little high. Let's go. We might catch some liquidity there, so I wouldn't mind.
Order filled.
Joining on board.
Order filled.
Let's bring it back into the wick of 96. 4 contracts long. We're having a higher target than the limit we gotta do.
Order filled.
You don't want to leave all that liquidity up in the 200s. Get some trap.
Order filled.
And we got stopped out on the limit. And we got stopped out on the limit. We touched that 1,500 maximum loss on a set of accounts where we actually... This is not good. We actually had 4 points here, but we've actually touched the loss 3 times. It's a little too much, guys. Meanwhile, on the other side, we'll only touch the loss once. This is in a much better shape. And we've got 5 points here. This is the one I'm gonna focus. Gold is pulling back totally.
Order filled. Order filled.
Let's go, guys. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like the video to participate in the giveaways. We're sharing $75,000 in instant funding accounts for Top 1 Futures and Ticktick Trader.
Order filled.
Pretty nasty candlestick we have in this 1 minute. I don't like it. And a pretty nasty price action. Kept getting rejections on those 1 minute candlesticks without delivering anything to the other side. That's definitely not enjoyable. Looks like the bulls are totally off. They've been totally off for now. Yeah, well, we could take it below 135. Look at the gold. Gold was just pump and dump, right? Look at that. Pumped all the way into the 70s and now it's back to 55. Good morning, welcome everyone. Hey, let's go. Come on. I'm out.
Order filled.
565, so we touched the target. Only $500 is needed. That's lovely, right? But I would make a little more than this target, this minimal target, because I need, you know, a balance for a possible loss. I don't want to remain without any balance, especially we got 6 points for this account. We're speaking about 5 accounts and they got 6 points. So only 4 more points needed, which means I have to do 4 more days of $500 minimum. $500 during 4 more days minimum, guys. And we are getting to pay out on 5 accounts. This is certainly deserving fireworks. Boom. There you go. That was a good trade, 565 right there. Having 6 points is pretty much enthusiasm. The only thing that bothers me, if I get a loss, which is 1,500 in my case, now I have $2,000 drawdown. It's not good. I need more money in the account. I have to make more than 500. Welcome, guys. Hey. So in other words, I need to make more than that. 500.
Order filled. Order filled.
This is dropping all the way back like the other markets. That's surprising for me. Was not expecting that much of a drop without any liquidity grab from the highs, you know, from 90s or 94, 96 all the way back to 200s. You want to set up a trap.
Order filled.
We could get a temporary support here from the way it looks like.
Order filled.
Decently positioned for. Come on, let's go. Let's go, guys. Come on. From the first reaction, clearly the markets enjoyed the outcome of the inflation. Clearly. So with that theory, setting up a trap here would make sense. The good part about Ticktick Trader is you can do micro scalping. You can do news trading, you can do micro scalping. So I could close my trade right now and walk away. But the thing is, you can also close your trade after 3 seconds or 2 seconds or 4 seconds or 6 seconds, right? You don't have to wait. And that's the style you can have as trading, right? So you can do that, which is lovely. This is an interesting candlestick. I definitely want to see some rejection coming in. I'd like to see the bull stepping in here, because then the next one has the ability to pull the trigger. Come on. Otherwise, if we don't see the bull's activity at this level, it's gonna slowly bleed into my stop loss. Good morning, Adrian. Welcome everyone. Make sure to like the video, guys, so you can participate in the giveaway. Also, be subscribed, join the Discord. We're streaming from Monday to Friday with giveaways. Come on. $173. I'm gonna set a limit order there. Getting rid of 2 contracts.
Order filled.
Beautiful, and then I'm fully
Order
out.
filled.
Beautiful, guys. $1,090 total profit here. That's well needed, because we've got 6 points with. And look at that. The Nile is there. They just denied it. That was a beautiful exit. Boom. What do you guys consider about the 204, 205 top we have? 56% of you consider we're going to break 23,500s this week. Actually today, not this week. Today. That would be a massive move to the upside. Let's go, chat. Come on. 1,090 here. We're fine with a target. We'll touch that. And I have $2,535 drawdown. But the drawdown is going to get to my original balance. So that means another, what? That's like $350. So that means I'm going to have a drawdown of $2,200. While I have to do four days of 500 with 2,200. What do you guys think about 2,000? 200 for the max loss. And I got to do 4 days of 500. It's not easy, right? I'd like to have, you know, another 1,000 made here. So I'm not going to give up on this. I think this is slowly going to grind.
Order filled. Order filled.
Happy to do that scalping there, 160.
Order filled.
Beautiful. Another 235 drawdown added. That's beautiful. Well, there could be many reasons why you could get denied when you're scamming or running any form of prohibited type of trading, such as hedging, for example, or having someone trading for you, or running bots that are not yours. So there are ways, but in a nutshell, you can DCA, you can do microscalping, you can do news trading, you can do all these things. And I think that's lovely. I think that's an edge right there, which is fantastic. 1,235, guys. I'm not going to force this because I will have $2,500 drawdown while I have to do 500 bucks for 4 days in a row, or not in a row, could be in any form possible. Right, but I think that's quite interesting because I would qualify for a payout on 5 accounts, and that's something, right? I think gold is going to get back up in the wick 370s. It's not going to give up here. And DXI is going to come back. Dollar is going to come back right below 98. Watch that, guys. All the way below 98. Come on, US dollar. You got stuck at the daily opening. What a pump and dump. This is very difficult to be traded like that. Oh gosh. Even with this movement, guys, with the Nasdaq right now, it's hardly predictable, right? Make sure everyone to like the video, subscribe, and join on board. Let's go. Here's the Discord link. Make sure to join our community, guys. Let's go. Make sure to jump on board and be part of our great trading community on Discord. You know, that's it with this accounts. I'm going to move to the top 1 futures accounts right now, where we have $12,700 drawdown on 4 accounts. We are about $2,000 shy for another round of payout. The opening is going to be total madness, right?
Order filled.
Order
I
filled.
think this is a decent opportunity to squeeze slightly into the 98 and take that 630. Keep going. Come on, keep going.
Order filled.
I'm out. 523. That 523, guys. That's good. Whew. Celebration time. Congratulations. There you go. Boom, boom. 523 on the top 1 futures, 4 accounts. What else is needed to be done here? This is pretty hot. That's a lovely performance, right? What do you guys think about? Should I force this one higher? Definitely not. I'm not going to do it. Even if you promised me the payout today, I'm not going to do it. Even if you would allow me to take my money out today, I'm not going to do it. We had 2 targets, objectives, touched today. 5 accounts on Ticktick Trader, bringing the number 6 point, so only 4 points needed. We actually made more than the minimum target. We actually made double than that. We made 1,000 there. So that's absolutely something to sit on and digest. That it's a good advantage, right? And then of course the account here, which is 163, 249, growing. It's +3, so it's 4 accounts. I'll take that 523 and I'm happy with that. Thank you guys. Thank you. Appreciate it. Crypto market is pump and dump.
Order filled.
Let's go, guys. Come on. Three minis. Stop loss on my entry. Watch that target, 1,800 on 230s. Can I get that? What do you guys think about? Three minis is not bad. But it looks like we're too close to the stop loss. Too close. Good morning. Hey. Yes, I'm copy trading. When you see it on the top left side next to the account balance plus leader plus something plus a number, that means I'm copy trading. Right now, this is not copy traded, but all the trades we did so far on all the accounts were copy traded. Right? So Project X is having an internally
Order filled.
attached copy trader, really functional. That you can set up easily, and it's very efficient. Looks like we're not going to get to that 230s with my 3 minutes. Not at this time, but I don't think we're going to. I don't think this is going to be too much about dumping today. Look at a dollar. I told you about the 98. So we went right below the 98. They listened to my stream. Clearly they're listening to my stream. And they showed a sign of support, obviously, as a validation that they're listening to my stream. The ones controlling the markets. 57% considered that we're going to 500s today. Slightly more bullish than bearish. The daily opening, guys, is on 23.35. Let me ask you about it. Let me see what you guys consider. Are we going to touch 23.35? Let me start a poll. You have the pool right there in the chat. Please respond. What do you guys consider? 23.35 back to the daily opening. What do you guys consider? It's in the chat. Yes or no? Are we going to hit that?
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Let's go, guys, all the way back to 207. 62% so far consider yes. We're going back to the daily opening, 23.35. That's interesting. What about this trade, guys? I need a rejection here. I need the bulls to step in the scandal, otherwise it's no good business. Where are you, bulls? Come on, step into the scandal. Do not betray. Come on. Do not let your favorite streamer down. Come on, guys. Good morning, everyone. Welcome.
Order filled.
I sold 3 contracts. Basically, I accepted a minor loss.
Order
Actually,
filled.
sold it all. Accepted 448. Not an issue. Cryptos are pumping. Looking at the Ethereum, it's going to break above the daily opening. Bitcoin has a long way to go for that, but the altcoins looks like today they're doing better. Gold, I'm telling you guys, gold is going to move above 365 daily volume weighted average price today. VWAP, we're going to break above that and then just sit above. 365.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Let's go. Let's go for another retest of the 205. Come on. That's beautiful. Stop loss on my entry. Ah. This is not looking good for me.
Order filled.
Oh my god. That should have been a take profit, guys. What a mistake. That should have been a take profit. I'm gonna do some scalping. And I can do some scalping or micro scalping the best way possible is basically with Ticktick trader accounts. Because that's the place I can close my trade. I don't have to think about their 10 seconds, right? Thank you guys for watching, appreciate it. Make sure to like the video, bring up the numbers, invite your friends, family members. We've got $75,000 in giveaways shared today. Exciting times around the markets. Exciting times on the crypto space as well. I'm in a lot of positions for the crypto world. That's why I'm speaking about it right now. Looks like we are facing a temporary rejection here. Let's go, come on. %61% of you consider we're going back to the daily opening. I don't know what to say about that one, guys. About 165 points, I mean, for the liquidity, it would be amazing. But at the same time, depends on the order books. It's so easy to squeeze some shorts right now. So easy. It's perfectly into 205, perfectly. 20 minutes to go for the New York opening.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
I'm going for that little extra above 205. The giveaway is right after the New York opening starts. Just stick with us. You're not gonna miss it.
Order filled.
Could be a bull flag here. Could bounce from here. Obviously, I'm gonna be out. Could get to that London low. Certainly. Which is why 67% of the people go for the yes on the daily opening. We're going to touch that 23.35. Not leverage trading anymore. I did that, but I'm not doing it anymore. I'm only spot. Thank you guys for joining. Make sure to like the video. Join our Discord as well. Here's the link. In order to join the giveaway and participate, you got to be part of the Discord community. And also subscribe to the YouTube channel. Turn on the notification bell, streaming from Monday to Friday. Definitely not like the fine wine. Especially high leverage, so even 2x, 3x is fine, but if you go above 3x, it's a problem. Of course, I mean, if you have $10,000 and you go $1,000, 10x, it's something, but if you have 10,000 and you go 10,000, 10x is different thing, right? It also depends how much money do you put in a single trade from the total money you have. Normally 10x, of course. It's not an issue as long as you are controlling the risk because you determine basically the margin, right? So the leverage can be high, but then you decrease the margin, and it's kind of the same thing. You can have the same position with 10x leverage, just as you have with 2x leverage. So the leverage itself is not the risk problem. What is the problem there is basically the margin. Margin, that's the problem.
Order filled.
I don't like this. It's, No, I've been trading pretty bad on this account
Order filled.
throughout the whole day. "15 minutes to go." Beautiful, Zill. Obviously it goes there. Had my target on that one previously. Yep. Here's the risk management. This is the risk management. Thank you. Hey, Anton, how's it going? Welcome, guys. This is an important one as well on Ticktick Trader. Let me show you guys. This is very important. Green numbers pretty much everywhere, including Ticktick Trader. On almost all the accounts. Almost all. But on the most meaningful ones, we have a good direction. I mean, I only lost when I traded the account that was traded alone. You know, when you have 15, 18, 20 accounts and you don't trade them in 2 or 3 groups maximum, and you want to trade 18 accounts in 6, 7 different rounds of trading, it's not working, guys. It's not possible to have 2 or 3 trades per account or per group and then have 6 groups. It's not possible to have an accuracy of 18 trades correctly. Definitely not. But this one has 6 points, very important. And there's going to be $2,300 drawdown inside. I'm going to scalp something here. on the opening. I have edge today to 1,000 to the $500 target. You know, I could actually decrease from the realized profit to the 500 and I will still receive my point because that's the target, 500 bucks. Let's go, guys, come on. This is crazy for an intraday account to have $13,000 drawdown is beautiful. You cannot win every trade, and that's what I said. You've got 2 or 3 trades per group. If you got 6 groups you're trading, you're doing at least 12 trades. Plus, I cannot focus to trade 6, 7, 8 accounts separated. You know, I would have to sit here for 6, 7 hours, and that way possibly. But to be able to squeeze it during the stream is not possible, guys. Different accounts. That's why I have accounts that are priority, which are having the most chances. And those are the ones I'm trading fresh. And of course, differently. Exactly, Badger. It's very hard. And it's not that efficient. Maybe I do not trade all of them next time, right? Because today I forced, for example. Today I forced it with the one on the top on futures. Earlier, I've been just trading it to, you know, just to do it out of nowhere. No risk management, nothing on that. Just doing it out of doing. So better not to trade like that. Beautiful, guys. Make sure to like the video, especially the ones that joined fresh. Be subscribed and join Discord. We're having the giveaway starting soon. Yeah, I've been doing it because I wanted to have something moving. I've been finishing with the priority accounts quite early. And then I wanted to have something moving. I want to sit here for 30 minutes not to trade anything. So then you jump on a trade like that. And of course you mess it up. We're breaking out once again with 6 minutes left for the New York opening, guys. This is quite interesting. Are we actually going to that? 23.35. This is very interesting. A lead funded account. Which prop firm do you talk about? So it depends which prop firm do you talk about. Top one. Elite challenge accounts. Are you talking about the funded accounts or the challenge accounts? I don't know about the challenge accounts at all. I only know about the funded accounts. We have instant sim funded and sim pro accounts. We don't have elite funded. Oh, with the challenge. 6%, exactly. 6% basically is the payout threshold. And then the second payout is 5%, which is what I have to achieve on my accounts. On this one, where I have 163, we're speaking about the second payout cycle, and I have to do that 5%. Four minutes to go, guys. The buying pressure is active. They're not giving up. So I have to do 1,500 more. That's lovely. Here, about 1,500 more, 1,600 more. What did you forget, buddy? Oh, that's not good. Well, remember, at least remember my trading performance, and then this is unforgettable. This is unforgettable. Remember the trading performance, and then you're gonna quickly remind about me. Three minutes to go. It's going to be pretty hot. It's hard to get the support there. There's not much room, just about a few points. Considering the volatility we're going to have, it's kind of hard. If we would be trading about 260s, 280s, that would be amazing, right? 260s, 280s, you could consider CPI high. But this way, there's so much liquidity below, and there's not much room in between the current price or the actual high on 220s and then the 200s. If you get the opening with a straight bullish line all the way to 330s, then obviously it's a different story. But this way, it's hard. 2 minutes to go, guys. You know, that golden pocket right there I've got is attractive. 180s. We're doing the giveaway soon. Stick with us. Make sure to like the video, be subscribed, join the Discord. 75 grand. Less than 1 minute to go. $20 seconds. Careful on your sizes. cryptos are exploding. Six seconds to go. And here you get the opening bell. Good job. Come on. Look at that, guys. We're going all-time high. Look at the 200s. CPI high reacting. Now I'd like to see if they have the ability to hold on to this move. Because if we lose and we break below, that's going to be a hell of a dump. Easily under 160s.
Order filled.
I'm scalping along here.
Order filled. Order filled.
Beautiful. We made some money with that. We're up to 1,400.
Order filled.
I'm shorting this, guys. I think it's time to grab the liquidity from the lower structures. Look at that. Come on. Should be an easy 171. What do you guys think about stop loss on my entry? Are we printing money with this? 2 contracts, 2 minis. And we're building buffer in the account.
Order filled.
No. Looks like no. Looks like not. Wow, look at that. That short would have been amazing here.
Order filled.
I think we're going lower.
Order filled.
Let's go, guys. Come on. I think we're going lower. What do you guys think about? Come on, break below. Stop loss on my entry. Keep going, come on. Keep going.
Order filled.
I'm out there. Would have been stopped out, and this is going lower. Pretty bad. But that's enough, because we're gonna have 2,500 drawdown, and we gotta do 4 days of $500. is a good target. I would be in a short all day long. The thing is, I was having a large size and I didn't want it to allow any
Order filled. Order filled.
Come on.
Order
I'm
filled.
out there. Let's have a look into the numbers. We're matching yesterday's loss. Look at that, guys. We're matching exactly yesterday's loss. It's not bad at all. Let's go. Thank you. We're going to have $2,600 drawdown. And we've got 6 points, 4 points needed. We get to the payout with 5 accounts. Thank you, guys. Appreciate it. Right, so time to play some games. Time to wrap up the good trading with some giveaways. Let's go, everyone. 2 giveaways scheduled for today. On a happy CPI day. I'm happy because cryptocurrency pumped. And we're ready to shuffle. We are ready to shuffle. We have 2 giveaways. The first giveaway is the first one from the title, which is the Tap 1 Futures 25K. You're not late, buddy. You're not late. We just getting started with the giveaway. So what do you have to do? How to participate? Like the video you're watching too. Be subscribed on my channel. Be subscribed to my channel with the notification bell. Turn on. Join Discord. We're actually streaming from Monday to Friday, 8 a.m. EST time. Giveaways daily. Let's go. Be subscribed. Join the Discord, everyone. And then, other rules. Do not guess multiple times, only 1 guess per person. Do not guess multiple times, only 1 guess per person. Do not guess from multiple accounts, you're going to get banned. As simple as like that. Do not guess yet, wait. We have not started yet. Everyone make sure to like the video, be subscribed, and join on board. If you're abusing by playing games from different accounts, you're going to get banned. Wait, we have not started yet. A few more seconds and we get started. Good luck, everyone. Guess the number. Let's go. Good luck, guys. Make sure to like the video, be subscribed. And of course, for the highest discounts, utilize the coupon code SCRAMBLE pretty much everywhere. The links are in the description area as well. What's happening with the Nasdaq all the way into 135. Top 1 futures, Ticktick trader, pretty much everywhere. Highest discounts available. We've got 2 giveaways. This is the first one for the top 1 futures. Once you see the end message, it's over. Once you see the end, it's over. The end is right there, guys. It's over. Do not guess below that. Do not guess anymore. The end message is right there. This is the first giveaway. We're going to have 1 more. Stay with us, guys. Right? So let's go. Shuffle the wheel. Let's get that ready. Here we are. Beautiful. Good luck, everyone. Good luck, chat. We've got 2 giveaways today, guys, so stick with us. Do not leave too early. That's going to be number 3. Are we going to get that into yellow 3? I think so. That's going to be a number 3. Hey, beautiful. Beautiful, guys. Number 3 for the winner of the first giveaway. Keep in mind, we have 2 giveaways today. Getting ready for the duck race. Badger is sending through the list 71 winners. Wow, that's huge, guys. 71 winners. That's insane. You guys are going to compete for 1 minute. Wow. That's pretty much crazy. Let's go. Good luck, everyone. This is the first giveaway. We're having the second giveaway. Soon. Hunger Games. Let's go. 15 seconds, 10 seconds to go. Who's going to take the lead? Come on. Zebra Boy, are you? And there you go, Zebra Boy. There you go. We have the first winner. Zebra Boy, congrats. We got the first winner for today. Congratulations. Let's go. Let's go for the second giveaway, guys. Beautiful. That was beautiful. We had more than 250, actually more than 270 guesses. More than 270 guesses. unique guesses. Let's go. Beautiful. Time for the second giveaway. Which is gonna be a $50,000 Ticktick Trader straight to funded plus account. 50 grand on the table. Beautiful. Alright, so for those of you that have joined recently, make sure to like the video, be subscribed, and join my Discord. These are the 3 things you gotta do. More than 300. Actually, it came out more than 300. We're not having 135 watching members. We're having more than that. You don't see the stats live. We're gonna shuffle the wheel a few times. Wait. Yep. We should have at least 200 likes. But they're not doing it. They're just looking to take advantage of the giveaways without doing it. Let's go, guys. Good luck, everyone. Good luck, guys. Only one guess per person. Do not guess multiple times. Like the video, be subscribed. And here we have the end message, guys. That's it. Do not guess below that. Do not guess below the end message. Are you guys ready? Let's go for another round to shuffle this up. This is the second giveaway already today, $50,000. Ticktick Trader straight to funded plus account. Let's go, guys. Good luck, everyone. Keep in mind, utilize the coupon code SCRAMBLE for the highest discount, maximum discount available. Links are in the description area, and you can have any tutorials on my channel. We have a double 5 coming up. I don't think we get stopped there. I think we passed that. It's going to be number 2 or number 3. That blue 3. What do you guys think about? Oh, number 3 at the very limit. Wow. Number 3 at the very limit. Beautiful. Beautiful, guys. That's pretty exciting. $44 winners. You guys are going to compete for 1 minute. The ones that were not between the start and the end command The ones that wrote too late are not on the list. We got 2 players, the very next 2 players. Good luck, chat. Good luck, everyone. Ticktick Trader, $50,000 account. It's a huge one. There you go. Beautiful times. Who's going to take the lead? Number 3 once again. Interesting. 15 seconds to go. What kind of costume? Let's go. Come on. Who's going to move right now? Happy Week. Is that going to be? There you go, don't you? Happy Week is the winner of a $50,000 account. Ticktick Trader, 50 grand straight to funded, plus direct message me on Discord to claim your account. Congratulations, beautiful. Let's go for a round of fireworks. Come on. Boom. That's beautiful. Absolutely lovely, guys. Looking forward to it tomorrow. Have a blissful day. Enjoy your day. Have a great time. Relax. Careful on trading with a volatility and volume. Looking forward to a extremely difficult week to be trading. But we are collecting knowledge. And we are pushing. Thank you so much, guys. Have a great time. We'll talk